This is our anti-drone backpack product series, suitable for various drone countermeasure areas. This is our product introduction. Our backpack can be carried on the back or by hand. These are the product's main switch, remote port, charge port, indicator light, external power port, and a speed interface. A red light indicates charging status, and a green light indicates charging completion. During use, the omnidirectional antenna needs to be assembled according to the marks, and the control wire and control handle should be connected to the device's control handle port. Rotate the main switch to the right to the built-in battery mode, and wait for approximately 5 seconds for the device to start. Starting and ending countermeasures. Press the channel selection button. The indicator light turns on, and the selected channel starts working. Countermeasures begin after 30 seconds. Press the channel selection button again. The indicator light turns off, and the countermeasures end. As we can see below, we need to counter this drone. After pressing the button, the video transmission is cut off, the drone lands, and the countermeasure is successful. Shenzhen Fanking Instrument Co. Ltd. is an innovative company focusing on low-altitude drone defense. These are real-shot images of our company's backpack production. You are welcome to contact us. Crafted in China, quality forges low-altitude security.